In this video, we're going to show you how to submit a self-assessment tax return if you're self-employed. Go and check out this video.
Once you're registered for self-assessment, you're then able to complete your tax return. In Section 3 of the return, Tailor Your Return, we'll ask if your self-employed income is more than £1,000. However, you may need to answer yes when your income is £1,000 or less. For example, to pay voluntary Class 2 national insurance. Use the Help About link for further guidance. If you answer yes, you need to tell us about this income. Start by selecting Fill in your return. Then enter self-employment details. Page 1 is about your annual turnover, including taxable coronavirus support payments. If your trading income is more than £85,000, you may need to register for VAT. If it's less, select No and tick anything on this list that applies to you. On page 2, tell us the name of your business and what you do. It's important to let us know if you started or stopped being self-employed during the year. Enter the dates here. Add your accounting details on page 3, including the date your accounting year ends. We recommend using the 5th of April as it's the end of the tax year. Also, tell us if you're using cash basis. If you're not sure what this means, use the Help About link to find out more. Or watch our YouTube video, Cash Basis and Simplified Expenses. On page 4, enter the figures for your turnover. Don't include any coronavirus support payments. Show any other business income here. Include coronavirus support payments, but not self-employment income support grants. These go later in your return. You can claim the £1,000 trading allowance here, but this means you can't deduct any other expenses. If you're not using the trading allowance, show your allowable expenses further down the page. When your figures are in, your calculations will appear at the bottom of the screen. Page 5 is for capital allowances. If you're using cash basis, you can only claim for business cars. Page 6 is for what we call adjustments. These include the value of any goods or services for personal use, other business income, and any losses brought forward from an earlier year. This is where you show Self-Employment Income Support Scheme grants. Use the Help About link for further guidance on what to include. Page 7 asks about any losses from the current tax year. Page 8 is for tax deducted. Only complete this box if you're in the construction industry scheme and show your contracted deductions. On page 9, enter your Class 4 national insurance contributions. Use the other information box to tell us about anything else. At the end, you'll see a summary page so you can check everything.